Are you as curious as I am to see how all the different Curlsmith gels stack up against each other? Let's find out. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a little bit of wavy curly science. We will be comparing the 4 Curlsmith gels to each other, side by side by side by side, wavy curly scientist style. I am so excited for today's video. It's gonna be a good one. We go real in depth with how each of these gels performed, and I wanna know in the comments down below, which one was your favorite? Which one you kind of think you want to try out? Which one do you think fits your hair and your hair's type and your hair's needs and your ideal hair? Because some of us want volume, some of us want definition, some of us want it all. Is it too much to ask to get it all? I don't think so. I have loved getting to play around with Curlsmith products here on my channel. It is so cool to me that they take the time to formulate high quality products with very specific different formulations for different hair types. Most of the time when I'm looking at ingredients labels, why? Because it's what I do. I like reading ingredients labels. And in all of my reading, I have seen that in one brand, there you will kind of see a theme in the ingredients label. The formulations don't vary too much from each other, but Curlsmith comes out with very unique formulas for each of their products, which is just so cool to me. Very, very neat that they are looking to feed the world's curls. Yes, that is their slogan. Isn't that cute? And they're feeding all the different types of curls out there. They're not just feeding one type. They understand that not every head of hair is the same, so they have created a wide range of products to do their very best to help you get the hair of your dreams. What more could we ask for? All right, guys, enough of this intro. Let's get into the wash days and I will show you how these gels stack up next to each other.
First up in this lineup is the in-shower style fixer. We're starting off with the big guns, Extreme Hold Level 10. You guys know I love me a good hard hold gel, and this, like many hard hold gels, has a thicker consistency, so you do need to warm it up a bit in your hands. I'm going to be applying all these stylers the exact same way, gently glazing it over, soaking wet hair, and then scrunching it in. That way, the variables are as close to the same as possible for all the stylers. This product gives extreme definition. It's long-lasting, water-resistant results. It locks in water and hydration. Some of the key ingredients are resurrection flower, which is a desert plant that survives up to 3 years without water. It's known for its moisture retention properties. How cool is that? What a neat ingredient. There's also avocado, apricot kernel, and sunflower oil for added nourishment. There's aloe, sage, rosemary, pepper, and basil extracts for all the good antioxidants. This is what my hair was looking like after I had applied the product on soaking wet hair, and boom, just like that, my hair is 100% dry and ready to scrunch out the crunch. Yes, this product does leave a bit of a cast on your hair. I love that though. A cast is a wavy curly's best friend on wash day. Once your hair is 100% dry, you just give it one more good scrunch and you are good to go. Check out the shine on this and the big chunky ringlets that this was giving me. I was very, very impressed with the definition that this provided my hair. I will say of all the stylers, it might have been the heaviest, but it was definitely giving me the most definition. Here is my hair at the end of the day. You can see that I still have good definition. What really blew me away are these ringlets in the back of my head. They kind of chunked together and got juicier as the day went on, which is very unusual for me. This is a gel for someone who wants max definition. Next up, we're going in with the Hydro Style Flexi Jelly. This is hold 7. Originally, I was trying to do these in order of hold, but you'll see that we're going to change that later. Anyway, here is the consistency of the product. It's not incredibly runny, but it is definitely much, much runnier than the in-shower style fixer, which I know I didn't apply in the shower. But again, I'm trying to apply all these gels the exact same way, so all the variables are the same, so we see really good scientific results. So what is so cool about this product is that the key ingredient in this that I find the most fascinating is hyaluronic acid. I cannot tell you how juicy and hydrated this stuff makes my hair feel. It's definitely a flexible, light, and bouncy hold. It's not crazy hard hold, but it does give a tiny bit of a cast to the hair once it's dry. It also contains green tea, lavender, thyme, witch hazel, alma, and cedarwood extracts, which just is absolutely delightful. Grabbing just a little bit more to make sure that I'm using enough of the product, because that's one way to guarantee that you're not going to like your results, is to not use enough product. Again, I'm going off of feel here, making sure that my hair feels like it has enough gel, really trying to keep everything super, super consistent. This product is super cool because it won't weigh down your hair. It's designed to minimize buildup, so you can kind of just keep layering product into your hair without fear that it's going to weigh your hair down. My hair always feels so lightweight and I don't know, like a cloud when I use this product. This is what my hair was looking like right after I applied the products. And for this wash day, I did get a shot of it right after I finished diffusing. I always diffuse my hair to 90% dry and then let it finish air drying in the cast. Now that I've let my hair finish air drying, it's time to scrunch out that crunch. This doesn't give a super crunchy cast, but there is some cast that I do like to scrunch out once my hair is fully dry. I'm using a combination of like prayer hands smoothing to break this cast, as well as scrunching to really open everything up. This will make any wash day look less stringy in my experience. So here we go. This is what my hair is looking like right after I scrunched out the crunch. I loved how there were pieces just chunked together and spiraled up. So much shine, so much volume. I mean, yes, thank you. Now, this might be the wash day that held up the least beautifully, but to be fair, I did do the most errands running around outside in the wind. It's very windy where I live. So this hair was fully brutalized and there are still lots of beautiful spirals and a great shine. It's a cool product. Next up on the cool product docket is the Shape Up Aqua Gel. This is hold 5 out of 10 for Curlsmith. What is really neat about this product is that it is so serum-y. It is very, very liquidy. This is the runniest gel of all the Curlsmith gels. I feel like it's a serum. Can we just call it a serum? Maybe not. Anyway, this product is enriched with proteins, but at a low dosage. So it can be used frequently without the risk of protein overload. It's so lightweight. It will give your hair lots and lots and lots of volume. If you are looking for volume in your wash days with light definition, try this product and thank me later. Some of the key ingredients of this product are the hemp seed and rice protein complex, which is completely plant-based, and it's an alternative to keratin, which helps the hair look stronger and more elastic. This is a formula that Curlsmith worked on for a long time. They were looking for a vegan alternative to keratin. It also has a blend of nutrient-rich superfoods, prickly pear, kale, guava, shiitake mushrooms, blackcurrant, and pumpkin seeds. Fun side note, I'm actually allergic to mushrooms, but I find that I can use this product with 100% no reaction whatsoever. Funny, it's only when I eat the mushrooms that I have an allergic reaction, not when it's in my hair care. When it's in my hair care, it makes my hair beautiful. When I eat them, it makes my face break out in hives. Okay, that's an image you want. Here's what my hair looked like once I had gotten the Shape Up Aqua Gel fully applied to my soaking wet hair, and boom. Again, here is what my hair looked like right after I got done diffusing. It is 90% dry here, and you can see that it's trying to defy gravity. Now that it had a chance to settle down and dry to 100%, we're going to smooth and scrunch out the crunch. I'm not sure that this is picking up on camera, but I think it is. You can see that my curl clumps are a little bit smaller on this wash day. That has happened every time I've used this product. It's not flash drying, but I do think that because it creates so much volume in the hair, the curl clumps just are smaller. Smaller curl clumps equals more volume in my hair. And oh yes, that shine. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the shine and the bounce and the volume? Here is what my hair was looking like at the end of the day. You're seeing the effects of the level 5 hold. There's definitely some frizz around my crown area, but still some good definition in the back and really nice volume. Here we're going to get up close and personal so you can kind of see that frizz I was mentioning earlier. It's more than I had with the other gels, but it's still a great wash day. Next up, we're going in with the Curlsmith Defining Styling Souffle. This is labeled Hold Level 5, but
I do want to insert a quick note about the souffle. You can see here on this bottle, they are updating the packaging to have the hold level as a level 8. I agree. I did not ever think that it was really a hold level 5. For the longest time, the souffle was Curlsmith, one and done styler, and they have been expanding the line. They have been working so hard to create more products that are more inclusive of different hair types. And so they originally said it was a hold 5 because it was the first product, but now that they've come out with other products, they say it's a hold 8. 10 out of 10 would agree that this is a hold 8, not a hold 5. Let's continue.
So these stylers are a little bit out of order on the hold scale, but I tried. Anyway, check out that awesome, delightful texture of this product. This might be my favorite texture of all the Curlsmith gels. You do have to warm it up in your hands a bit before applying to the hair. Make sure that it's really nice and smooth. It does melt into your hands as soon as you start rubbing your hands together. Now, like we've done with the 4 other gels, you're probably sick of seeing this by now, but we're going to glaze the product over and then gently scrunch it into soaking wet hair. This product defines the curls and keeps them moisturized, bouncy, juicy, shiny, all the things. This is one of my favorite one and done stylers of all time. It gives my hair the right balance of moisture and hold. I love this product. I love it so much. Some of the key ingredients of this product are Irish moss, which is a natural styling agent that provides hold and definition. I haven't seen that ingredient in too many other products. There's also a babassu oil that moisturizes and adds shine, flaxseed extract, which I know my hair just absolutely loves. There's also aloe, sage, rosemary, pepper, basil extracts in this product as well, which is the same as the in-shower style fixer because they're from the same line, like the moisture line from Curlsmith. Okay, here is what the hair is looking like once I've applied the product on soaking wet hair, and boom, we're going to scrunch out the crunch. Why? Because I forgot to get a shot of it right after I finished diffusing, just like with the in-shower style fixer. This video's come full circle. I did diffuse my hair to 90% dry and then let it finish air drying to 100% dry. And here we are, scrunching out the crunch as my dog runs around in the background of the video. I am smoothing my hands over my hair. This does give kind of a stronger cast than some of the other stylers from Curlsmith, but here are the scrunched out the crunch results. So much definition, so much shine, so much bounce, all the happy things. This is what my hair was looking like at the end of the day. Sleepy faced Courtney, so tired. I will say that my roots did kind of stretch out a bit. I did not put my hair up any of these days. I left my hair down all day long, so it's not stretched out because I pulled it up. My hair was so soft and touchable and frizz-free with this wash day.
All right, guys, that is it. We made it to the end. Seriously, tell me which one you liked best, which one stood out to you, which one piqued your interest. Let's have a really fun conversation in the comments down below. And yes, I was holding up the small bottles in the intro and used full sizes in the demos, but these are the products that I used. It's just easier to hold these super cute travel sizes. And guess what that also means? That means that you can try all four, because all four come in a travel size, without committing to the full-size product. You can literally try them all out for yourself and do your own wavy curly science experiment on your hair. And if you do that, seriously, let me know. I really would love to know your results. How did that go? Was it fun? Let me know. Another note that I want to mention is that for every single wash day, I did use the exact same shampoo and conditioner. I used the Vivid Tones shampoo and conditioner from Curlsmith. The reason that I picked these in particular is that they do a beautiful job of maintaining the status quo in my hair. They're not too hydrating, they're not too drying, they're right there for my hair. They get my hair clean without overstripping. The conditioner nourishes my hair without weighing my hair down. It keeps everything status quo. And for my leave-in conditioning step, because I always use a leave-in conditioner, it helps organize my curl clumps. I used the weightless air dry cream from the Detox Scalp Recipe line. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you feel like checking out any of these products, feel free to check out the links in the description. And Curlsmith was kind enough to provide you guys with a coupon code to save you a little bit of money off. And as always, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.